What is going on, my guys? So, the tour continues. We're gonna see more houses, more cars, especially today. We're gonna go to the most epic bachelor pad in LA. Downtown LA. It's completely different from everything that we've seen, and it's interesting and it's necessary to be able to explore every single possibility and pretty much everything that's out there, so we can make the best decision possible. And also, we're gonna get to meet some really cool peeps right now. So stay with us and welcome. This is what am I welcoming you for? I don't. Sometimes I do lose my mind. So enjoy. TJ,
what's up?
Thank you so much for having us, dude.
Yeah, man, welcome.
TJ's a self-made entrepreneur. He's got so many businesses. He's like a version of me that's really successful. Like very successful, better looking, and in great shape.
Yeah. A version of me.
So a way better. No. A way better. This is a McDonald's burger. You're like the one that's like $1,000 with the caviar and the truffles and everything, baby.
I appreciate it.
Hey, it's great meeting you. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you. So we want to see your path. We're looking into building our own house, and also you have an insane garage, man.
Yeah.
Like something that's putting everyone to shame. And you're starting your own YouTube channel too?
Yeah, man. I started my own YouTube channel.
Yes.
TJ Millionaire Mentor. YouTube. Hey, it's about 7 days old. So
it's a baby. It's a baby. I'll put a link in the description down below so you guys can see it. TJ, please take us around this beautiful pad of yours. Show us what you got here because it's insane. Obviously, I've seen your living room.
I got some cool art, man. This piece, I love this piece. Ooh. Yeah, I got it from Italy, Murano, Italy. I mean, I just fell in love with this piece when I saw it.
Your walls are filled with art. What makes you buy art? Like, what is the trigger when you say, that's it, I want it?
Something that stops me, man. It's just like seeing a car that you like, you know? You see a car, you go, whoa.
Yeah.
And you just stop.
Yeah.
And art's the same way. When I see art like that, I stop and I'm like, that's what I'm gonna do.
This is one of your favorites?
This is one of my favorites.
Okay.
Yeah.
And by the way, guys, we're on the 30-something floor of this building. Look at the ceilings. They're so high, and your flooring is incredible. I'm sorry, I pay attention to everything.
All the details.
Yeah, wow, the view's not bad. Here's Sarah that brought us here.
Hello.
Hey, Sarah. I remember you. You're the girl from the video in the house.
Yeah, that's me.
Man, look at this place. This is like Disneyland. The first thing I asked you when I walked in, I was like, are you single?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because this is a total bachelor pad, man. See, your car passion is showing here.
Yeah, man.
The first thing I thought when I came in, I was like, my wife would kill me if I did this. Like, she'd know what I'm up to. But you're single, you're good.
Yeah, man,
You're good.
It's easy. I only have to make the decisions. I don't have to run it by anybody.
Good for you. Me too, I'm the same way. Your kitchen is incredible.
I rarely come over here. But this is where I come. I spend most of my time right here. This is the coffee machine.
In the coffee, this is a coffee machine?
This is the coffee machine. Cappuccino, espresso. This is where I spend the time.
And then I love your wine right here. This is one on steroids. Like, this looks, the whole set right here, man. This is really pretty. Well done, sir.
Bottles of tequila. Tequila, man. I love tequila. I don't drink much, But when I do drink, I drink tequila, and I drink good tequila. And I enjoy sipping on tequila and just tasting it.
Yeah?
And yeah. So it's not even like I like to have a whole glass. I like sipping different tequilas, and by the time I'm done, I've had a real drink, but I've also enjoyed a lot of different tequilas.
Of course. A lot of people just shoot it down and they don't really get to enjoy it. I am one of those people that slowly drinks the whole bottle.
Yeah.
But slowly.
Yeah.
And I take it
But you
sip
know
by
a lot
sip.
about tequila, 'cause you
I have a
know lot
mezcal.
about
I have a mezcal company, so I wouldn't say I know a lot about tequila.
Yeah.
I know things about tequila, but I'm not a master. I want you to be my master here. And I saw these crazy things. You have that remote?
Yeah.
Because this is honestly the craziest and coolest bar I've seen so far. So that's your remote.
This is my remote, yep. So when I need to hide the tequila, the good stuff.
By the way, it was like that when we got here. It was exactly like that. That's incredible. And by the way, this. What? This is so cool. And look at your tequila. You were saying Código is amazing, right?
Yep, it's good.
Did you guys even know about that? Did you guys even know that existed?
Yeah, because people drink Patron, right? Like in terms of
Don't-
tequila.
don't you say that.
I know.
Don't you
right?
say that.
But you get this guy, like it's just, I mean, it's an awesome tequila, right? You talk about any of the Blancos, I'll put the Blanco of this up against anything, and then the Añejo.
Yeah.
And the Extra Añejo. It's just amazing.
And that's your stuff. That's what you like. Okay. Now, what do you got here? This is beautiful. Is it made out of glass?
This is, made out of mosaic glass.
Ooh.
It's like a little mood lamp inside.
No.
Yep.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's got a cable. It's got a cable that looks like it's going. I won't say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. What else you got here other than your pool table?
Yeah, pool table.
This turns into a regular table, right?
Turns into a regular table. Turns into a dining room table.
You have a lot of things that turn into things.
You got to have things that I'm a technology guy. You got to be able to make things turn into other things.
Yes, sir.
It's kind of like the whole Batman thing there.
Well, speaking of Batman things, I'm looking there and is that a TV underneath that glass?
It is.
Get out of here.
Yeah. So I wanted to hide the TV, right? Like, don't want a big ugly TV there. So I wanted the TV, but I didn't want it to be ugly. So I get the reflection of outside, and so which is beautiful downtown LA.
Yeah.
You get to see the.
And then when you turn on the TV, it
When you turn on the
disappears?
TV, yeah, just-
Get out of here. By the way, beautiful cock. You even said thanks before even looking that I was talking about. That's a first. But it's beautiful. I see you got a piano. Do you play the piano?
No.
By the way, no one should say anything bad about that. The people that buy a piano is to let people know that you like to have a good time, but you're not too serious about it.
I want to learn to play.
Yes.
I haven't had the time.
Yes. Ferrari?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
This is incredible.
Yeah, this piece is done by Skylar Gray. He's this young guy from LA, but he's like a prodigy, and he does really dope stuff. I don't know if you saw the Lambo at the last Pebble Beach, and he had this Lambo painted.
Oh, yeah.
He did that.
He did. Oh, this is that guy. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
He's a prodigy. It's a pretty good investment.
Well, no shit. If they let him paint a Lambo. Wow.
And this is my office.
Wait, you have a fucking car simulator?
Yeah, man.
Man, how come I'm just meeting you right now? What's going on right now?
Well, I'm glad we met, bro. Because
Likewise.
we're gonna come in here and do this shit.
Thank you.
And then we're gonna get faster
Yes.
Take it to the track more.
I know you go to the track a lot. This is incredible. Not a lot of people with cars like yours go to the track, so well done,
Take
sir.
all my shit to the track.
Well fucking done. Yes. And this is the power desk. And then this. Wow, the light around it, man. That is beautiful. And you like superhero movies?
Yeah, these are all, this is the unique thing about this. These are all superheroes of color.
Yeah, I noticed right away. Yeah. I was like, how come you don't have any Mexican superheroes here? What else you got? Man, this couch. I'm sorry. Oh!
Feels good, right?
What is this?
It's some antique-ish sort of sofa, man, that I just like. Because everything else is like modern.
Yeah.
So I wanted to add some old.
Some character. You got it, to tie it all in. Wow. Dude, this is one of the most comfortable things I've ever sat on in my life, by the way. And that, I'm sorry if I was not supposed to sit in it. It's incredible. Incredible. Wait. Every Ferrari fan is gonna be dying to have one of these. Wow, that is cool. What, is this a bathroom over here?
Yeah.
Are we walking into a bathroom? No, oh, there's a, what? Wait, no, there's no door.
No, there's no door.
It's just open.
Like a bedroom, but I made it a the bathroom.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. Wow. This is beautiful.
Thank you, brother.
Wow. And your that's it. That's right. Man, I'm obsessed with bathrooms. I love dialing and all that. Yeah, I know it's weird. I'm sorry. I know. Man, this is really cool. What a great way to just be getting ready and just looking at that. It plays like that song from Kanye West, Power, in my head. I don't know why, just by looking at it. Hang on, TJ just said that he's got to show me this one bathroom. I want to see what this bathroom's all about.
Well, it's not, it's not like the most amazing bathroom in the world, but it has a cool feature. And so you're building, right?
Yeah.
So this is like a cool feature that I like because it brings indoor, outdoor together.
Oh, dude, man, this is your room?
Yeah, bro.
This is incredible. Man, your view, it's so clean.
Thank you, man. I love this spot downtown.
As you should.
I think downtown LA is so underrated.
It's still very underrated. Oh, of course you have a massage table.
So look, you gotta go in to see it though. You gotta go into the shower.
You're just gonna open the shower on me. You're just gonna open the shower on me.
You gotta go to the shower. Take it out. Now look that way.
With a view?
In the shower.
This is fucking amazing.
You're in the shower.
And you can't really see it from the other side that much.
And then
Wow.
at night it's like pretty cool, right? So,
I can't imagine.
Yeah.
And so we're looking at a place with a view.
Yeah.
So this is.
Right? See what I'm saying?
This is. I don't know why I thought you really were gonna turn on those.
So this is my car closet, right? I just got car shit in here.
Oh yeah. Look at you. I don't want to show you what he's got, but we'll show you in a second the actual car. So we're not gonna focus on that. And then those are your driving shoes. I see them.
Yeah, driving shoes, helmet, driving, stuff.
He's got a driving closet, guys. I want you to hear that again. A driving closet. And that's your closet?
Yeah, that's it.
No, man. That's like a dream guy's closet.
Oh, go. Bom dia.
Dude, this is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Shall we go look at your toys? Let's go look at your toys. We just came downstairs and TJ goes, every car that you see here that's nice, it's his.
Come on, man.
Pista, baby!
Come on, man. Come on.
You did, oh, F12, baby, ACR. Ugh. What else? I mean, I see a lot of cool stuff around.
I have a DBS manual, and then I have.
Y'all know I love that.
And I have the SVJ here. And I have the yours, my daily.
This is the sexiest Ferrari ever made, in my opinion. Dude, these are incredible.
That's not a wrap.
Incredible. Which one? The Ferrari?
Yeah.
I mean, dude, no wrap looks like this.
Rosodino.
Ooh, Rosodino? The interior is so incredible. And your ACR.
The race car.
Man, you took away the front lip. Do you ever put it on?
I just didn't put it on because it's so hard getting out.
Oh, I know.
So, yeah.
You destroy it. I know an asshole that did that.
So it's upstairs in my laundry room.
What about your Pista? Did you get the carbon wheels on that?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
dude.
I did.
Oh. Yep, these are carbon wheels. These are like 80 grand. Woo! Man. TJ,
Like the spec?
You're living the life that most of us want. Congratulations, dude.
Yeah, come on. Most
Honestly, congratulations. Well done. Wow.
we're blessed, man. It's awesome.
Yes, sir. SVJ. Woo! Look at this. Oh! Wow! Ooh! Dude! Dude!
You like the spec?
You got incredible tasting cars.
Thank you.
It's one thing to be able to buy them all, and it's another thing to be able to do this. Wow! Holy shit! Yep. And the gasoline smell is exactly what I need. Alright, so this is my favorite part of everything that we're gonna be doing. TJ told me that we're gonna do a little tequila talk episode, so if you guys wanna check out TJ's tequila talk with me, go down to the description down below so you can see TJ's channel and find that video. But we're gonna be drinking tequila and talking?
Yes, we're gonna be drinking really good tequila. And the whole idea is to experience some tequila that you haven't experienced.
Yeah.
Which is hard, because I know you know.
No. I really don't. You have a lot of tequilas that I've never tried in here. The Código one, I'm so curious about.
Yeah, so that's So
You're like, I'm not giving you that.
So we're gonna get to the good shit. And,
Okay.
Taste it, see what you think about it, and
Let's
see
do
what's
it.
your favorite, and then have a drink, man.
Yes. You're driving back, Sergio.